first our first program, which is hello world. So let's create a project in Python. Let's go to a new project. Python project. Give your name to your project. Python first project JP. Now create. That project has been created into user Akash Solkar. Okay. Create a new windows. Open project in a new windows, because another project is already open. See, so project is created. Let's check into file. For the files you need to go to this PC, C drive. In C drive user is there. In user there is one folder is there. In one folders, if you check, you will get the project name, date modifications. In a Python project, see that project we have created is a present here. So first of all, okay, let's create a new Python file. In that Python file we are going to create the hello world project. Let's give a hello world to a Python file name. Click enter. So hello world Python file is created under Python first project JP. Now like write print hello world. Now there something pre okay, you need to remember that the every word need to be in a small letter. So let's run the program using let's run hello world. Okay, you can see the output as a hello world. Thank you.